Alright, this is the shopping cart. Now, you might be wondering why we're pulling it out again, and it's simply because it's winter time-ish, it's late winter, and there's snow everywhere for some reason. And we never actually explained what this thing is. Sort of just gave you a video of us building it, gave you some videos of us putting a Predator on it, and that was it. So this is a basic rundown. It's a Costco shopping cart, bolted onto a home-built kit cart frame with a rear suspension subframe that's not very springy. And it's bolted, welded, stiffened. You have to do all this, otherwise the frame will just snap in half. It's got a custom brake linkage setup, custom steering that's sort of like a trucker steering on the front with the throttles not in a go-kart position, rather in a more quad-like position on the steering itself. And other than that, it's a stock cart frame under it. Nothing's been really beefed up or built up. It's all just cart with a cart on top of it. So that explains what this is in the gist of it. It's got a trailer hitch on the back, all that cool stuff. It's got a Jeep seat. And recently, you may have noticed this if it's been in any previous videos, a roll cage in the same color that the buff padding was built and cut and welded on. So yeah, that's the shopping cart. Alright. Yeah.
Alright, we're the shopping cart. I'm gonna run the head mount today and see what we can get for clips. We're just gonna attempt to go in the field. This thing is, as you can see, it does not have the best snow tires. It just has small V-tread tires for like a little bit of dirt and stuff, but we'll see what she can do, give her the full rundown and let you know. Alright, well, we're gonna go see if we can't get this thing stuck a few times.
Yeah.
This thing is really not the best snow vehicle. Well guys, GoPro just died. It was at like 70% battery. The cold must have just snapped the battery, so you'll get what you can get today. Well, I figured since my GoPro died, I'll give you the best of the best iPhone quality, which is not bad these days. He just has no traction right now. It's just impossible.
Oh yeah, there you go, because then we have some tread on there. Yeah! Yeah. Here's a real burnout.
One time again.
Who's right now? Here you go.
Alright guys, well that's kind of all we can do right now with the shopping cart, because as you can see it's pretty powdery out. These tires have not that much tread for snow at least, but go ahead, drop a comment below if you want to see us do a part 2 on this video when it's dry, when we can, you know, get a top speed test and stuff. Let us know what you think, and yeah, make sure to subscribe.